All right. I hear a lot of DoorDash YouTubers are quitting, but hey, man, look at the screenshot. We average almost 28, around 28.50 per hour. I can't show you the exact amount due to I'm being too paranoid about me and DoorDash. So let's just say we make around 220 in about 7 hours, 30 minutes active time with DoorDash. That comes out to be 28.50 per hour, fam, on Mondays and Tuesday. I was gonna do another ride along, but I just want to shoot this clip to see, to put in my 2 cents about the current state of the gig economy in Denver. On Sunday, the game 6 was done, so Monday I only worked like 4.5 hours, and then today I was on the clock for 7.5 hours. Today with Uber Eats, roughly 3 hours, and with DoorDash maybe like 4.5 or something like that. So today, Tuesday, I worked like 7.5 hours, but I was just saying the 2-day average for Monday and Tuesday with DoorDash been banging, fam. I've never seen a DoorDash average that high in about 4 months, Most of the time, my Uber Eats per hour earnings has been higher than DoorDash, but this week is one of the exception. I know it's only 2 days, but DoorDash been banging in Denver, fam, even on Mondays and Tuesdays. Today was probably one of the best dashes in the last couple of months, dashes as in with DoorDash. So let me go over the numbers one more time. So we make roughly 220-ish. I have to black it out, due to security reasons, in about 7.5 hours. Yeah, I would be more transparent, in about 3 months or so later. But right now, can't be. So, and then the rest of the video is gonna be a ride along, fam. So DoorDash is still good, at least in Denver it is. And Uber Eats is usually better around downtown Denver and during the weekends. But DoorDash dominates today and yesterday as well. All right, please watch all the way to the end. Thank you, fam. Yo, what's good, your boy DoorDash Tips, back at it with another DoorDash and Uber Eats and Grubhub right along, fam. We are 2 hours in, just finished with 2 live streams on YouTube, and we're dropping off this DoorDash order right now. It is 5 mile-ish for $11-ish. Can't really disclose any DoorDash information right now, but we're on our way to drop off this first this DoorDash order. All right, let's go, fam. All right, fam, last order, the customer came down. Tip ish. Best order of DoorDash this week, fam, and it's only Tuesday. Let's go. All right. We got our second order today. Sushi place, $3 for 8 mile-ish. 3 miles for $8. 3 miles for $8, not the other way around. All right, let's go, fam. All right. For this sushi order, we got a tip of $8.50 for a total of 11-ish. Pretty good order, fam. All right, let's get back to the hot zone and let's log on with Uber Eats as well. Let's go. All right, after only 20 seconds, we got another order lined up, fam. $9-ish for 3 miles. Let's go from DoorDash. Let's get it, fam. All right. Last order, we got $11, fam. Customer tip like $8 or something like that. Very good order. $11 for 3 miles. Been a banging night so far, fam. Now we're heading back towards downtown Denver and make some more money. Let's go. All right. We've been on for 3 hours with DoorDash. We made $48, around 48 with Uber Eats. We made $40. That's $29 per hour, fam, for the dinner rush currently from 5 p.m. to 8 p.m. 88 in 3 hours. 88 in 3 hours, fam. All right. We're on our way to drop off a double stack, fam. 2 restaurant, 2 customer. This one's just okay. Keep you guys posted at the end of the shift. All right. Last double stack. We got $16 for roughly 8 miles, so $2 per mile, just on point, fam. And I think I'm gonna take a lunch break here. Gonna run to my mom's house and eat some lunch, dinner, whatever. It's 9:15 p.m. and I think we made over $100 in 4 hours 15 minutes. Pretty good Tuesday so far, fam. All right, see you guys in a little bit. All right, just ate some dinner, fam, and we got a double stack 7 miles for $15. It's banging on a Tuesday night, man. It's 10 p.m. right now. All right, let's go pick up some double stack at the Ghost Kitchen. Let's go, fam. All right, this is one of my favorite Ghost Kitchen in Denver, the one on Vallejo and 8th. Just pick up a double stack. Let's go, fam. All right, fam, that order only took me like 25 minutes and we made $18. $18 in 25 minutes. And we have something here. I think I'll do this one. 7.7 for $10. All right, let's get it. All right. So lucky day, fam. So lucky day. All right. 4 minutes later, we got our order, fam. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Let's go. Another one of my favorite McDonald's. And they all follow me on TikTok. 4 of them. This McDonald's in Edgewater. Win-win situation, baby. All right, let's go deliver some Mickey D's. Let's get it. All right, today's Tuesday night, so I'm gonna have to go below 1.8 per mile. This one is showing up as 11 for 16. I'll take this one. Yeah, today's Tuesday, so you know, I'm gonna lower my standard just a little bit. All right, let's take this one, fam. All right. Next up, we got a double stack at this very slow Ghost Kitchen on Mississippi and Sheridan. So today's Tuesday night, so I'll give them a try. If the wait's longer than 10 minutes, I'll just cancel. This is the slowest Ghost Kitchen in Denver, fam. So we'll see how it goes. Nah, I'm not feeling this one. Decline. All right. So turn out I was right. You know, none of the orders are ready. She told me 10 minutes, but sometimes 10 minutes becomes 20 minutes. So just have to cancel that double stack. And we have another double stack at this Taco Bell. So we're gonna take a gamble on this Taco Bell. It's the one on Alameda and Federal. Today is Tuesday, 12:16 a.m. So I'm guessing there's gonna be, I don't know, 15-minute drive-through. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, but I think I'm gonna have to blacklist that Ghost Kitchen, man. They're never on time. Sometimes they're as far behind as 45 minutes. 45 minutes behind. So time is money when you're working, man. So we don't get paid to sit there. You know, no hard feelings against them. You know, they're just short-staffed. So it is what it is. Just have to cancel and go on to the next one, fam. All right. Heading to Taco Bell. See what's up. Let's see what's up, fam. Oh, speaking of the bus, are you non-tipping bozo? Bus there, bozo. You know how it goes? Hop on the RTD and take the bus there, bozo. All right, moment of truth. Let's see what we're working with today, fam. All right. No car in the drive-thru. Or I mean, 2 cars. What a miracle. So this gamble paid off, fam. But the last gamble at that Ghost Kitchen did not pay it off. Man, this dude put up the sign, said be back in 5 minutes. It's been 15 minutes, man. Alright fam, it's 1:39 a.m. and I think we finally broke $200 for today. I did take like a 90-minute break to go to my mom's house and eat and all that, but I think we broke 200. I'm trying to work for another hour, you know. Try to go all in on a Tuesday. Alright, we finally got something from Uber Eats. I think it's $12 for 20 minutes, ETA 20 minutes, so we'll see how it goes. It's at Denny's, Ghost Kitchen, I think, or no, just Denny's on Kipling and I-70. But tonight, DoorDash dominates, fam. Tonight's been mostly DoorDash. Say 70% DoorDash, 30% Uber Eats, no Grubhub tonight. And tonight we've been out in the suburbs too, so tonight DoorDash dominates.
In a quarter mile,
on our way to get some pick up some Uber Eats. I believe it's a 12 for 6. Alright, let's go fam. It is 1:45 a.m. Let's go. Yeah, one more thing, today I drove roughly 120 miles. 120 miles. So today the miles are a little bit higher for working 7 hours. Yeah, today I took some far deliveries.
Turn right.
And yeah, keep you guys posted with the earnings when I get home, fam. Alright, so this video I kind of switch it up. I show you all the earnings in the beginning, and I'm just driving home now. So today with Uber Eats, with one order pending, we're at $57, and with DoorDash, I don't know. Yeah, I just went with the 2-day average in the beginning of the video, but so I guess this video is not gonna be a ride along. It's more of like, is food delivery still you know, still profitable, still lucrative, still worthy? So as far as in Denver it is, and my fellow dasher in Cali is telling me so, and other drivers from other states. So I guess it all depends on your market, fam. So I can only speak for Denver, and one of my fellow dasher in California, Newport Beach dasher, she told me she made 700 in Monday and Tuesday. So those are banging numbers, fam. 700 on Mondays and Tuesday. I don't know how many hours she worked, but either way, those are very, very good numbers. So yeah, man, I'm still gonna dash. Gas prices doesn't discourage me yet, not until it hits $8 per gallon in Denver. I am old enough to be driving in July 2008. I said that many times in my live stream. So when gas becomes $8 per gallon in Denver, then we'll go with plan B. But in the meantime, your boy DoorDash Tips is gonna keep on trucking with gig economy. Thanks for watching this ride along and 10-minute YouTube video, fam. Have a good night. Peace.